Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Marie Andre with Natural Transplants. Thank you so much for offering and willing to do a video for us today. Now, Marie Andre flew in here last night and you're offering to do a video. You're here for a hair transplant.
Sure.
Tell us a little bit about your hair loss.
I have been experiencing hair loss for a few years. I have androgenetic alopecia. I have tried different methods from PRP to chiropractor and nothing works for me. So I think hair transplant is one of the best I can.
Especially with androgenetic alopecia, the PRP injections will do only so much, if anything, and quite expensive if I'm not mistaken.
It is.
We looked into it here at Natural Transplants and we felt that it wasn't for our patient's best interest. So we feel very comfortable that with a hair transplant, you'll see such an improvement over the next 9 months to a year, and we're going to reinforce that all your frontal edges.
I'm very excited.
So, when you were younger, you wore braids.
Yes, braids and weaves and yes, all of that. Yes, I used to do that a lot.
Well, very excited for you. We're going to start this journey. In a year from now, we'll have an edgiversary for you. So look forward to following you throughout today and the next year.
I'm very excited. Thank you.
Thank you. Here we are. We just got done suturing everything together. How has your day been?
It's okay so far. Went smoothly.
You were a superstar with the anesthesia, and I've never seen somebody that relaxed during the anesthesia. Usually it is more of a discomfort, more painful, and I really try to advise everybody that it is the worst part of the procedure. But you actually did great, and you came together perfectly.
Thank you.
Any words of advice so far?
Don't do like I did. Like I push it away. I canceled twice. I was not sure, but I think that's the best decision I ever made. So.
And this is only the beginning.
Yes.
I cannot wait till the 9 month, the year when you really start appreciating everything. I'm going to show them the incision site if that's
Sure.
okay.
Thank you.
So nice and clean, perfectly put back together. So you are doing amazing right now, and we're going to continue to follow through with you during the procedure.
Thank you.
Thank you. So here I am with Marie Andre, and 4 hours pretty much.
Yes.
And you had lunch,
Yes, I did.
listened to a lot of music.
Yes.
How was your day?
It was very relaxing. It was more relaxing than I thought it would be. Went really well, smooth. I'm happy. I'm excited. If anyone has a doubt about this, don't doubt. Just do it. I'm overexcited already.
Definitely, you have every right to be overexcited. You have this very thick, coarse hair. You had a great area to work in. You look absolutely amazing. I'm super excited with the hairline that you chose, and I'm going to be following with you throughout this entire journey. I'm going to call you tomorrow to check up on you. I also gave you my personal telephone number, and I'm going to check up on you in a year from now, and I can't wait to say happy edgiversary to you in 1 year from now.
I can't wait to. Thank you so much. You guys are really good.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.